Ever wonder how your city gets its power? Let's break down the universal blueprint. See, the secret isn't digging for electricity. It's about making it completely from scratch.
And what's wild is that pretty much every power plant on Earth uses the same basic recipe.
The whole game is just turning one kind of energy into another. It's a four-step process.
This simple blueprint, it's the engine behind basically all modern power generation. So let's start with a chemical plant. Think coal, gas, things with stored chemical energy. Step 1 is pretty straightforward. You burn the fuel. That releases a ton of heat. That heat boils water, making steam that spins a turbine. And boom, you've got electricity. Okay, but what about a nuclear plant? Well, they don't burn a thing. They go straight to the atom.
They use fission, splitting atoms, which releases an insane amount of heat from a tiny bit of mass.
So you've got all this nuclear heat. Now, what do you think they do with it?
Yep, it's the exact same process. Boil water, make steam, and spin a turbine.
So really, a nuclear plant is just a super high-tech way to boil water. See, the fuel source is different, but the journey to making electricity? Almost identical. But here's the catch. The process isn't perfect. Thanks to physics, you always lose some energy. Yeah, a typical plant only turns about a third of that initial energy into actual electricity. But even with that inefficiency, the scale is just massive. We're talking huge amounts of power.
Enough to power nearly 1 million homes from one plant. That shows you how energy-packed this fuel is.
So why get all this? Well, this simple blueprint is at the heart of our biggest global challenges.
It connects everything. Climate change, the push for renewables, and even debates about nuclear power.
So next time you flip that switch, remember the incredible journey that power took to get to you.